Hello! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 active, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. Basically the volume for the media and ringtone. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the Chrome button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the Chrome button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the sounds and vibration option and select it. And here we have media volume and the ring volume. So, we also have AI voice volume. So we have three types of volume. To adjust the volume for example, media, tap on media volume, and then swipe on the slider to adjust the volume. To adjust the volume for ringtones, select ring volume and adjust the volume. Then swipe right. And for the AI voice, same stuff, simply select the AI volume and then adjust it. And once you're done, you can press the Chrome button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.